Hi, this is Guld with Geeks On Tour, and this little video is about how my Apple smartwatch tracks my health statistics. I happen to have a watch Series 6, and I'm a beginner, so this is a beginner's video just explaining a little bit about how it does it. It does it with a combination of sensors and apps on the watch itself and on the phone. So the first thing I want to show you is where those sensors, so see that the sensors are on the bottom that are touching my skin. There's another sensor on this button called the digital crown. Now the apps are on the watch as well as on the phone, so if I wanted to, for example, do a blood oxygen recording, I tap on the digital crown and see my list of apps. So if I tap on blood oxygen and tap start, can you see the red light shining on the bottom? That is how it is sensing my blood oxygen levels. All right, very nice. Next one I want to show you is the ECG, electrocardiogram. ECG. And for this one, I have to touch my finger on this button to close the circuit between my left and my right. No signs of atrial fibrillation. That's good. And then at any time I want, I can just see what my heart rate is. It's tracking that all the time. Now let me show you the apps on the phone. So I just got a notification that I have an ECG recording, and it shows it to me. And here are all the other things that it can show me. Now, one of the things that I like to do is to track my sleep. But I found that the app that came with the watch and the phone didn't give me much information. I used to wear a Fitbit, and it would tell me when I was in deep sleep and REM sleep. This seems to only give me the hours of sleep, period. So I did a little bit of research, and I found an app. I went to the App Store and downloaded an app called Auto Sleep. And I got that both for the phone and for the watch. So on the watch, you have an app store just like you do on the phone. App Store and search Auto Sleep. And it finds it, and you can install it on your watch. Then you can look at the results on the phone, Auto Sleep. And it gives me so much more detail. It tells me hours in bed, hours asleep, hours in deep sleep, and average heart rate during the night. It gives me this reading of something called readiness, and I can get hour by hour detail in here. It tells me, for example, at 3:30 a.m. my heart rate was 58. Just a little bit later there, my blood oxygen was 99%, and it's these purple here that I look for. That means I'm in deep sleep. So that's just a little bit of an intro about what we mean when we say my Apple Watch can monitor my health.